Traders, let's take a look at what's moving this morning. On the move, we got CCXI. This sucker's up over 300%. Almost 2 million traded pre-market. That's in play. NTNX up almost 19%. Over 200,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. DKS up almost 12%. Over 700,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. We got quite a few here we can work with. So let's get to it. DLTR, we're going to take this before this breaks. 96. That's broken. Oh, we're in. I wanted to take it before it broke 96. And now it's climbing. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Stop loss will be over 97. And target is going to be 95. I should have waited on this one, but we'll see. Market is dropping, so we got tailwind. Alright, here we go. Let's bring this down to 95. Come on. A little bit more. Come on. Does not want to drop here. Come on. There we go. There we go. A little bit more. I'm going to take this right here. I'm going to take 50 cents. Just because it popped really hard when I got in it. It spooked me a little bit. But I'll take that 50 cents first opening trade. BURL. Let's take this short here at the ask if we can get hit. It's a big spread. Alright, we're in. We're in BURL short at 219.50. We're going to let this one breathe for a second here because this one is a big mover and it's got a really big spread. So as easily as it goes up, it goes down. So we're going to take this one down around, I'm going to try to say 218 target, and stop loss will be around 220. Oh, okay, here we go. Let's take this right here. If we can get this. Come on, bring it down. Let's pull this up a little bit here. Alright, we're out. Not for as much as I wanted. I chickened out. Only about 50 cents, about 45 cents. CCXI, we're going to take this short right here at the ask. Alright, we got 100. Oh, we're full in. We're full in CCXI at 33.71. This thing blasted off today, up over 300%. So these people are going to have to take some profits here, and they're already starting. So we're going to see if we can take this thing down below 33, probably like 32.75 area, and stop loss will be around 34.50. But we'll play it by ear here. I mean, if it stays in this area for too long, most likely it will drop because it's closer to the lows. But if it does start to climb, we'll have to get out of this because it is up huge. CCXI, all right, we're squeezing here. Don't like that, but I'm not going to panic. I'm going to wait and see what happens here because it could just be a little squeeze here and drop. But we're not going to wait too long. If it does not drop soon, we will come out of it. CCXI, we're going to come out of this right here. I'm going to push this up a little bit here. We're out. We're out with a full point loser on that one. It's just too strong. It should have dropped there at that point where I got in it, and it didn't. And stocks that are up this much, you have to come out of the trade if they go up. Doesn't mean you can't take it again. PANW, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. This looks great here to reverse, back down. But it needs to hit us soon. Alright, we're in 225.53. Daily had been pretty strong. If you look at the daily here, this thing's been climbing pretty steady. Had a big drop today, yesterday, today. Intraday gaps down, flushes, has a pullback from the lows here. But we think this thing is going to go right back down to below 224. That's going to be the target, 224. And stop loss is going to be around 226, 50, 60 area, around there, over there. Because it's probably going to climb here. Here we are. All right, this is a big mover, so you got to expect that. All right, let's take a look at this thing up close. All right, we're pretty much at our stop area, bouncing off there. PANW, not too far from entry here. Just had a big spike up, but came right back down. Let's see what happens here if this thing don't drop soon. We're just going to come out of it. PANW, we're going to come out of this right here. I'm going to push this up a little bit. All right, we're out. We're out with a 55-cent loser. I gave it a few times and it didn't want to drop, so it's probably going to climb. The market is climbing. If we look at the SPY here, the market is climbing really hard, so chances this thing dropping are smaller now. CCXI, we're going to take this for another short right here at the ask. This thing looks ready to drop this time. See if we can get hit first. All right, we're in. We're in at 33.91. Let's take a look at this thing up close. This is our second trade on this. We took it early and we took a point loser on it. But this thing's got to drop, you know? I mean, this thing's up over 300% in one day. So we're going to try to get our point back. So target on this is going to be below 33. And stop loss will be around over 34.50. But I like it here. I think it drops. See how the market is climbing? If we look at the SPY, the market is screaming higher and this thing is just dropping. So that tells me even if we get a squeeze here, even if it goes up a little bit, it's just going to sell right back off. It's just too high and people are going to take profits. CCXI, all right. We got ourselves a trade here. Let's see if we can get this sucker below 33, and then we're going to take it. Just want to get back what I lost on it. It was a big loss earlier. But it could get bought up too. You never know. CCXI, we're going to come out of this right here. This is taking too long here. I don't like that. All right, we're out. We're out with about a 50-cent winner. It dropped nice, but it pulled right back up. And the market's still climbing. And I'm not going to leave 50 cents on the table. PANW, we're going to take this for another short here at the ask if we can get in. All right, we are in, full in. We took it earlier, PANW, and we took like a 55-cent loss on it, but it's looking weak. The market is pulling back, so we think we can get at least a point off of this, bring the day back to green. Let's take a look at this thing up close. All right, we got a few cents here. Let's see if we can bring this down to 226. Stop loss will be over 227.50. But we're going to see if we can bring it below 226. This stock is down for today. I think it has potential to continue to drop, probably be below 220 even. You never know, right? Momentum starts to take place and the stock just drops like a rock. PANW looks like it's about to crack 226. Come on. There's a break 226 and then we can get out of this trade. Here we go. Let's take this right here if we can. I'm going to bring this up a little bit. All right, we are out. We're out. Nice. We did that one for about, what is that, 90 cents? Oh, and it's still dropping. It's still dropping. But I'll take that, 90 cents. Wow, PANW still dropping. Another 70 cents from where we got out. I should have held out. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. It was a rough morning. We had a couple of good-sized losers, but we made it back and some. We're up 102. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 4 winners and 2 losers. Our biggest winner on PANW and our biggest loser on CCXI. Thanks for watching. Oh, and look, PANW still dropping.